Hey everybody, it's Mark. I thought I'd get out today and take my dogs for a walk. This is gonna be like a different place. I love the field. I guess it's a new place for me. I normally don't take my dogs out this far for a walk, but I thought we'd try something new. Uh, it's quite a big field. Um, I usually do my live streaming. I know some of you guys out there ask, when do you live stream? And I tell you guys out there, maybe around 12 midnight my time. I'm glad to see you guys, some of you guys come in. I'm very happy about that. Sometimes I have some of the same people, sometimes I have new people. Sometimes I have people come in, I can't really quite pronounce your names, but I'm glad you come in anyway. But anyway, I thought I'd show around this big field I'm in. Take you for a little bit of a walk. Quite a big field. Real pretty view out that way. I love the view. I can't get over that. It's really nice. I think I'll title this one Nature Walk with My Dogs. And I'm not very alone on this walk. Wife's with me, my dog Sammy. This is like a big first for him.
Hey, go get him. Oh, get a hairball.
Let's go meet him.
What? You need another drink? Oh, you want a bath, don't you? All right, watch out. I'm not gonna leave it running, honey. That's a waste.
Hey, dog's over here getting a bath.
Drink. Yeah. Good boy.
Hey.
He says, this is cool. Go potty, baby.
Hey. Got him a little dog Remy.
I'm trying to get him to get a drink, but he won't do it.
He's out. I'll lick the floor.
Yeah, he's licking, but I tried to get him to get one out of the spigot, but
Is it cold?
fair. Once it hits your skin, yeah. But I wouldn't drink out of it. I don't know. All right. Oh, you need another drink?
No, he loves it.
Yeah. All right, I guess it's time for your daily shower.
We let him run around the leash.
Need another drink?
He's a good boy.
All right. Remy, did you have to go number 2? Did I go number 2, sweetie? I know it sounds weird me saying that on the film, but...
Well, this ain't me.
What?
Yeah.
Another drink?
Yeah. Oh.
Get one more. Can you get one more drink? Okay. Come on. Let's go.
Yeah. Remy's a good boy. I mean, he's one who can stay off the leash and stay right by your side. Now, our other dog, that one right there, he'd run off somewhere. Couldn't get him.
Gone.
But Remy, he's a good boy. This red leash looks like a snake in the grass. Hey, look, it's a red snake. Looks a long red snake in the grass. There's a snake in the grass.
Gotta be careful saying that around here. You never know. There might be. Well, I think somebody's ready to
I
finish up.
I did a movie reference.
Finished already?
Oh, I'll show you. It's not much of a place, but this place even has like a little playground for kids. Has swings. Oh, sorry guys, no slide. Well, I mean, if it is a slide, it's very little. She had like little baby swings, adult swings. A place for kids to climb on. Hey, nice big area. Hey, we kids go around, have fun, and all this type of stuff. I just thought I'd do a little nature walk with you guys out there. Something a little bit different. I know the lake out here somewhere. I didn't get a chance to show you guys, but anyway, it's real nice out this way. And midway, you guys give me a thumbs up, like, comments. Tell your friends about my channel. You add me, I'll add you right back. Yeah, I'm kind of out of breath, as you can tell. I'm trying not to show it so much. Guess you can tell out that way somewhere. There's the lake out that way. Way out there, there's the lake. Kind of far from where I'm standing, but I'll try not to shake so much. So now you can see it. That lake's way out there. I mean, it's the view though. Got to love the view. But once again, I showed you my dogs, Sam and Remy. And in case you guys don't know how to spell that, Remy is spelled R-E-M-Y. Sammy, I don't know if it's two M's or one, I'm not sure. But yeah, short for Samson. You know how strong Samson was back in the day. My dog's the same way. His saying goes, you don't walk me, I'll walk you. That's how strong he is. But yeah, Sammy, he's not a bad dog. We love him over. Someone says to me, you got any kids? I got 2 dogs. Nothing wrong with that. Why can't your dogs be your kids? I thought I'd take, like I said on the earlier part, I thought I'd take you for a nature walk. venture around a little bit. And just for a heads up, this is my first time with you guys out there too, so I've never been here. Let me see if I get a little close up. There's houses behind these trees, way down there. I wonder if I get a video of them somewhere down there. It's kind of low. Anyway, there are not many houses, but just to know, there's houses like that way. There's down further, down way up. These small hills are like roller coasters. You pay a pretty little price going ups and downs, and sheesh. Well, there's a very pretty lady at on the road down here. She's checking out for kind of nuts on the road or something. Just Hawkeyes. We'll get just what they are. Buckeyes, that's what it is.
It just fell out of the tree. This buckeye just fell out of the tree. It fell out in that casing, and I found it.
If you guys don't know what a buckeye nut is, that's what it looks like. And sometimes we collect them, sometimes we just happen to walk over them, but we collect these things.
Well, this one just fell out of the tree.
we got lucky. You guys
all the others have been picked clean.
You guys out there hear some just got lucky.
All our boys are waiting in the cars. Hi.
Me and Heidi out there doing a little nature walk today. Thought we'd get out for a little bit.
Well, that and I made the mistake of promising the dog a car ride.
Well, we get in the car ride. Are we coming back here tomorrow, or?
Possibly, if you want to.
All right.
But then after that, we can't for a few days.
Yeah, I know.
But if you want to bring him back tomorrow, we can.
Well, everybody, it's been fun. It's been short and very sweet. I'm glad you guys were here to hang with me. Showing you this little video of mine. Like I said, tell your friends about me and I'll add you right back. Possibly quicker than you say name twice. Where is he? Where is he?
The chipmunk went underneath the concrete.
Oh, can't see it though.
He's hiding.
Oh well. I was going to try to show a chipmunk, but he went undercover. But anyway. I'm glad you guys were here to hang with me. I'm glad you guys were to stay with me on this little nature walk of mine. Like I said, give me a comment, thumbs up. Do you guys go on nature walks any with your dogs? If so, where? Maybe you could tell me how many dogs you have. How do they react to nature walks? This was actually kind of new for them. They usually walk around the neighborhood and stuff like that, but we thought I'd try something a little different. Every once in a while, we gotta do something different, you know? It's always nice to do something a little different in your life. So instead of having to do the same thing over and over again, it's crazy. And that's the infamous outhouse. To take care of business or whatever you gotta do, that's an outhouse. Yep, go in there, take care of business, and walk out. But as I said though, I thank you guys for hanging with me. And I bid you guys a fond farewell. Get one last shot of open field. And I do thank you for coming with me. This has been your host, Mark Wells. Sayonara.